Alright guys, welcome back to the video today on the Ghost Flash channel. As you can see, I'm in 300ZX, and you guys already know the 300ZX has not been on the channel in quite a long time. I kind of neglected the car, working on the Genesis and the Mustang and the Miata. We are back today with another episode on the 300ZX. Now in today's episode, I'm going to be putting back the stock interior, doing a nice little detail, cleaning everything up, as well as installing a subsystem and new speakers. So as you guys can see behind me, it is a gigantic mess in the trunk or hatch, whatever you like to call it, and I gotta fix that. Alright guys, update. So I got, as you can see, the power line ran. I went through the fender and then through basically the side of the fender down, and then went into the dash, went underneath inside of the car. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like underneath inside the car. I ran it, came out here, inside, up and through, and then through all inside here. Yes, it's as far as I can get it tucked, but I mean, that's better than nothing. And then right here, same thing. And all the wires come up through here and right into the amplifier right there. So far, the power is ran, the remote is ran, the ground is ran, and the RCAs are ran. So all I need is the two wires coming out of the amp into the subs. But I'm gonna go ahead and basically put in the stereo, and I'm gonna turn it on and see if the amp even turns on and see if everything is done correctly. So now I just gotta hook up the subwoofers to that and then do an audio test to make sure everything is sounding correct. Alright, so we're back for round 2 for this video, or day 2 I should say, of the subwoofer install on 300ZX. As you guys can see, we got the two subs. They're not mounted, but they are wired. The amp is finished and wired. But also in today's video, I'm also gonna be doing LED front headlights, because the halogen front lights obviously really suck in this car. And also my clock in this car does not work, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off and see if I can go ahead and fix that. Maybe it's like a fuse or something, I don't know, but if it's broken, it's broken. If not, I'm trying to fix it, but we'll see. I'm also gonna try to clean up the interior a little bit more. I did a vacuum, I wiped everything down, and I'm just gonna do as much cleaning as possible, put the trim back into the car that is missing. Now I'm not gonna really mount the subs and the amp just yet, because I'm probably gonna switch to a different amp, a different subs, because those were eBay and they suck. They don't sound good at all, but I mean, it's better than nothing. Has a little bit of bass, but obviously I'm a bass head, I like a lot of bass. It doesn't have enough bass for me, so I'm going to end up switching to something different and then mounting them completely once I figure out where I want to put them. But until then, they're just gonna sit right there. So as you guys can see right now, we have just normal halogen headlights, the little amber, yellow, whatever you want to call them. Pretty booty if you ask me. I'm gonna go ahead and install these right here today. LED front headlights. Now they are eBay, so hopefully they actually fit and hopefully they work. If not, you guys will be getting my 1 out of 10 review based off install, quality, and price. So I didn't end up deciding to vacuum because that's a whole lot of extra work, but this is what it looks like now. The whole interior is back inside of the car. As you guys can see, all the way around, full interior. Got 2 back subs, or 2 back speakers, 2 rear 6-inch subs, 200 watt amp. It was like 50 bucks on eBay. Just want to see if it would work, and it does, but obviously not the greatest if you're obsessed with the bass like me. Interior's pretty much done now, all folded back together, and now I'm working on the headlights. Gonna go ahead and do the headlights next. As you guys can see, the car is dirty. Yes, it sits outside underneath that tree. That tree drops stuff all over my cars. So I just realized I bought these LED headlights, correct? And I was expecting there to be 1 in there, 1 in here. There is 2 in each one. So I'm assuming, obviously, maybe it's for the headlights and the high beams. If not, I guess I have 4 sets of LED headlights, but let's go ahead and see if they fit real quick. So it did plug in, and I did put it back in. So let's go ahead and turn on the headlights and see if they work, or if the one side works. So as you guys can see, it works. And they are blue. I did not expect them to be blue headlights. I hope I don't get pulled over for that. I don't think that's illegal, right? I don't know. I guess we're gonna find out, right? All right, so both headlights are done. I'm not gonna really be able to show you guys how bright they are until obviously it's nighttime. So hopefully I'll pick up this video again tonight and show you guys the finished product. If not, I guess this will be good enough. I obviously hope I don't get pulled over for having these blue headlights, but we'll see how blue they are when it comes to nighttime. But that is gonna wrap up today's video on the 300ZX. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next Ghost Flash video. My next goal is to hit 5K by the end of 2021. Help your boy out. Peace.
That I'm lost and located in the back door. Don't even wanna check.